Madison Automotive Apprentice program is a chance to learn more about cars, but more importantly, the business aspects behind it, the networking that you need, the abilities that you need to manage a team, to work in a role.
So these students are here getting dirty. They're finding out things that they like, that they don't like, what their aptitudes are, what they can do, what they can't do, so that when they get out in the workforce, they'll immediately be able to have an impact wherever they go.
It doesn't matter what major you are, it's open to everyone, and it really lets people explore different interests, because this doesn't have to be a full-time thing. You know, you can go to your political science class and then come here and work on cars and say, hey, maybe I like this better than that, but you have the opportunity now to learn. I want to work in the automotive field, so this is really important to me to learn some of the hands-on things so I can interact with people later on, what it's like to run a business like this, the industry and the people that you have to learn and experience, and it's really good to get that first step in while I'm in college.
Well, in this case, you've got more than a resume. You've got someone that has been mentored, that has specific skill sets, that I know what direction they're headed, and I can put them together. And that is a value here at MAAP that we're only starting to scratch the surface with.
This is not just, hey, come here and work on your car, watch this guy replace some brakes on your car. This is really, look at the industry that you're going to be in, and no matter what industry, take some experience from someone who's willing to share all this wealth of knowledge that he has and really take advantage of it while you're here at JMU.